everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. It is the beginning of Fashion Week, yes! And I am kicking it off, giving you guys all the inspiration you're going to need for your fall winter upcycles. I'm highlighting my very most favorite looks from 14 runway shows, so it's going to be a good one. Just settle in, and the link to all these shows are in the description box. Then at the end, I'm going to give you guys an exciting update on my own runway show for my spring summer 2020 upcycle collection. All right, let's get this party started. All right, we are kicking it off with Phillip Lim, and I'm super excited about this. I want you guys to notice the shoes. I think these are DIY-able, and you'll see them on a couple of girls in white, black. I think I even saw them in like a periwinkle blue, so I was amazed at that. And look at the cut on that shirt. It was so good. And then the leather sleeves on the trench coat. My sister's actually been wanting to do that upcycle for a long time. And then I really liked this shearling jacket. There were two of them. It was like nice and sporty, and so I really liked that for fall winter, and I think that can be done. And next is ADM, and I'm super excited about this one because it lets you know that there's matchy sets are still in, and monochromatic. You're gonna see it over and over and over again. And what I want you guys to notice about this, look at the sleeves. I want to, and I am going to figure out how to cut these sleeves, a pattern for these sleeves. I am so excited about that. And I thought this one was just exciting because of course of the plaid matching set, but then like the little frill on the peplum and how it's asymmetrical at the bottom. So I thought that was cute. And then once again, this is a denim dress with that cut of sleeve, and I just love that. Oh, that just did it for me for this show. And then once again, this blue dress again with that cut of sleeve, and then they're even slightly different. They're not all the same exact cut, they're a little bit different, so I thought that was amazing. And then I love this dress. I love how the movement of it, it's like a silk dress, so it moves very well. And I used to have an olive color dress like that, and I think I've given it away since then, but oh, I used to love that dress. And now we're moving to Sushi Nakashima, and I really like this show. And believe it or not, for the actual show, the people did walk this slow, and they also all had on like a Michael Jackson glove. But I like that denim jacket mixed with that trench coat combination. That was really cool. And then this one coming up right here, a guy has on a blazer mixed with like a trench coat type jacket. So I thought those were really cool. Then next up we have Chloe, which never disappoints, and I just think their girls are always so cool and put together. And I love the print, that kind of boxy square print of the dress that's underneath her coat, and I love the combination of the two. And I also like these little shorts for fall. I think I'm gonna try to do some little plaid shorts, and they're like cargo shorts, so I really like that with the big pockets. And then her skirt was really cool as well, like a cargo skirt with a zipper up the front. Was amazing. And then this girl's denim dress is also amazing with the stitching, the very pronounced stitching. And this girl, I just want to be this girl. I want that whole look with the frills on the sleeves, the cuffs, the pants, and the boots. And I have white boots, so yes. And then next we're going to go to Christian Wynyatt's, and you guys know I always love a flowy dress, and then this color for fall, yes, I'm for it. And so I love that dress. I love the flow of it. And then next up, you'll see that he's doing florals for fall winter, and I'm so excited about that. I thought that was cool. And then that silk bag, look at that silk bag, because you're going to be seeing that coming up in the next few weeks on my channel. Great hack I have for you guys. And then I knew you guys would love this dress because it has the men's dress shirt at the top, and then it's combined with like four other like you combine it with four other dresses. And he did that several times on this show. Once again, here you can see that it has the same kind of combination, but in different, more random. It's more random, put together in a more random way. So I thought that was amazing. I like the color combination as well. And then this one, of course, in the green, but it's a sweater. And I think this is a 2-piece set. So I really, really like that, like the randomness of the connection. Like I've done one straight at an angle, but I really like that randomness. And then here is Fendi, never disappoints. Once again, I always love their shows. And I really like this girl's, you know, kind of wrap skirt, but I want you to notice the boots as she turns around. Keep looking and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Right there, she has a color pop, a exposed zipper on the back. And then this, I'm a weirdo, but I would wear that whole outfit just like it is with the hat and everything. So yes, I'm loving that. And then this dress, I don't know if it's a dress or if it is a jacket, but either way, whichever one it is, I'm loving it. Yes, I love the texture, and socks with heels, I'm all for it. And then next up is Giacomo's, and I'm super excited about this show, but the first one I just had to show you is like a new take on saddlebags. But it was done in an amazing way, and I just think it's really cute, but I thought that was funny as well. And then here you see that pop of orange for the fall. I love it. And then the tiny bag, those are really in. You'll see gigantic bags and you'll see tiny bags. And then I love this cheetah print trench coat, yes. And the pop of yellow, that yellow, yes. And in the monochromatic, you're gonna see that over and over and over again in these shows. And then the next brand is new to me. It's called Kate. And this show just really blew me away with this first dress. This was the first one to walk out, and with the white, and I've done a shirt like that, but not in a turtleneck. Like my turtleneck has the fringe on it, so I think I'm gonna do one with a puff. And then I also have a tutorial for those jeans, those two-tone jeans. And so she looks really cool, but I also love her shirt. Her top with the big puffy sleeves. I love that combined with the jeans. She looks so cool. And then this dress, I wish I could just like pause and take a moment, like go to their website. I want this dress. I don't want to make it. I want this dress. But then I went to the website and it's $4,500. And then they have it in green. But I really want it. So I'm going to have to figure out something. I don't know, but I love this dress. Like I love this dress. It's everything. And then we'll go to Long, and this show, I just really like that the girls are just so fresh, like so like funky fresh. And I really like this canvas mixed with leather tote bag or duffel bag. I thought that was really cool and doable as a DIY. And then I want you to notice the tapering of her jacket. You'll see that again, once again, in another show, and I've seen it in several shows. And then and then this giant silk bag, giant silk bag was also seen several times. And then we'll go to Max Mara, which was like my favorite show. These girls in all monochromatic, but the colors are amazing. I'm loving the colors that I'm seeing for fall. Really loving them. So I'm super excited about that. And look at this, the bags. It's like a vest, like and with bags on the side, and I actually have a tutorial for that, but mine is denim, so I can make that easy. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. And then look at this sleeveless coat, and I've done sleeveless coats before, but look at the pockets. I am in love with these pockets so much. And then they have it in a jumpsuit, a jumper dress form, like so yes, I am loving this. And watching these shows, I just get so inspired. And then you got right here the cheetah girls walking in unison. I loved it. I love these like furry zebra print sweaters with the matching like print underneath. It's just print everywhere, but it just goes so cohesively together. And this girl, again, I love her sweater mixed with the plaid, all cohesive but monochromatic at the same time. So I love it. With the tall boots, yes, they did an amazing job this season. So I really like that. And then this last one, I just had to show you because it's for girls like me with no chest, and you know, you can add a bag to the front so you can feel like you got something. But anyway, we're gonna go to Oscar de la Renta, or Oscar D as I call him. And I just like this coat. This is very glamorous, and she's rocking, you know, her hair like me, so of course I like that. But that's what Oscar de la Renta is known for, glamour, well, at least in my mind. And then I really love this dress, like the jumper dress with the side like panel flap on the side. I really like that. And I missed the coat. The coat was like a two-tone coat, which if you follow my channel, you've seen me have a tutorial on that before. And then this is a sweater, like jumpsuit with the fringe coming down. So I thought that that was really cool, something that, you know, somebody could get. And then of course, glamour, you know, this beautiful dress. And next we will go up, we'll go ahead to Preen. And I'm just showing you guys this because I like the mixed fabrics. I thought that these mixed fabrics were really cool, like, and fresh. And then this one is funny but inventive at the same time. It looks like it's a kid's sweater sewn onto a adult sweater. We can do that. And then we'll go on to another new brand to me, Ultra Chic. This is my first time seeing them, and I thought it was fun because, you know, they have, again, the two-tone coats, which you guys know that I love, and I should make myself another one for this season. But I also really like their t-shirts. Their t-shirts were really cool. It has like the little tag pulls, you know, like you're taking it for information. So I thought that was cool. And then the next one up, I want you guys to notice her purse as it comes down. I thought that that was super cool. And then also her button up is two-tone. So I think I'll probably do one of those for fall as well. It's been out for a while, so I might as well. And then lastly, again, another coat, but this one, the plaid is a little bit longer than the rest of the coat. So I really thought that that was a nice touch. Like, you know, it makes it special and makes it kind of stand out. So I really like that. And oh, I thought that was the last one. No, it's not the last one. It's my favorite one from this show. The bags. It's almost like you have two tote bags as pockets on the coat. That's something I've never seen. So that gave me joy. So I was super happy to see that. And then last but not least is Victoria Beckham. And I really like all of her shows. They're just so like chic, just so, I don't know, put together. And then I don't normally like open toe boots, but I like these cheetah print open toe boots, and cheetah print was everywhere, but I love them, and the way it's styled is just to perfection. I want that suit. I need that suit. That suit is a bad suit. I need it, and it is amazing for fall. White suit with the lines, yes, for fall. And then once again, look at the sleeves. You can see the sleeves are with that, you know, like cut out. So we definitely have to figure that out this season, because we got to be rocking the sleeves. Some drama in the sleeves. And then once again, you see that silhouette on the waist, and hers even goes down to the hips a little bit. But then there's another one that's coming up where you see it's right at the waist. So I'm looking at, you know, that silhouette a little bit, seeing that more. So that is it. I hope you guys have so much inspiration that you're just running to your sewing machines, getting all those projects done, not dilly-dallying. Go straight there. You know you got inspiration, so just go get it done. I'm gonna try to do the same thing as well. And now it is time for my juicy update on my runway show, which would be happening right now, I guess, if it was going to be in New York, but I am not quite there yet. If you don't know what I'm talking about my upcycle runway collection, I decided a couple years ago that I really wanted to design a collection, a runway collection made fully of upcycled garments. And so I announced it I guess a few months ago, and you guys have been so encouraging to me, but I've never planned a runway show before. So the heavens opened up, and I was on Instagram and I saw a page by an organization called Fashion for Good. They're based here in Houston, and they are all about sustainable brands that do good, and they focus on emerging designers. And so they have fashion shows in San Antonio, Houston, and Austin. And so you could apply to be part of their fashion show, which is coming up this November. And I applied, and I got accepted. So I am so excited, because what that means is that I'm going to be part of a runway show that includes other emerging designers. That lets me meet other people in the same field, meet other people who are interested in my fashion. So I'm so excited for that. And then they take care of the venue, the hair, makeup, and they provide models. Not only that, not just regular models, but normal size models or regular people size models. No offense to models, but you know, you guys know that I'm really trying to create a brand that is for everybody, not just for somebody who is a size 2. So that means that I'll be showing a 3-look mini collection at the Silver Street Studios here in Houston on November 15th. I'll put the more information or the website's information in the description box for anybody who would like to attend. If you're in the Houston area and you would like to buy tickets, I'll definitely put the information down there so you can find out more about that. And now that I have the weight of the actual show off my shoulders, I can get more into making videos about the actual clothes, which is, I know that's what you guys have been waiting for. So I hope you guys are super excited about that, because I am super excited about that. And I just want to once again thank you guys so much for all your support and encouragement. And if you are a YouTube Team Renegade member, that means you've hit that join button. Then definitely go ahead and look for next week's video right now, because it's up there for you. And if you're not a member, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that join button and learn more. And for way more free content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that I can show you how to create the wardrobe of your dreams, one that fits your size and your personality. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.